User accounts. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create user accounts and I will discuss briefly why you need them. Your Sales Menago account can be used by more than one person. Each user gets own login and password, and you can decide what a particular user has access to. You can also decide which features this person can use. Each employee has own responsibilities. The same can be done in Sales Menago. You simply assign responsibilities to each account. When you run a small company, you will probably have one or few accounts with similar or even the same permissions. When you run a big company and you employ many people, probably there will be more accounts with different roles and responsibilities. On the left-hand menu bar, you go to Settings. Then, on the up-on ribbon, you choose Users. Now, please click Add a new user account button. And here you have account settings. Then you click Next. Here you have roles and permissions. Let's focus on roles first. You have administrator, manager, salesman, marketer, sender, and normal user. Please bear in mind that each role has already assigned set of permissions. Of course, it is different for different users. However, at the same time, you can modify these permissions and adjust them to your needs. Let me tell you about the situation when you may need it. In your team, there is a person who is responsible for email marketing. Obviously, there is need to give this person an access to CRM because it means an access to a contact database. However, at the same time, you want to protect your database. In advanced permissions, when you check the first option, you block the permission to export contacts. Another thing that you need to remember is the fact that each contact must be owned by at least one person. When a new contact joins the base, it is automatically assigned to an owner. However, sometimes you may need to change the main owner or contact owner. For example, in your team, there are 3 great specialists. They present different ideas for a campaign. You don't know which campaign to choose, so you divide contacts into 3 groups. Later, you learn which campaign is the most effective one, and you want to use it for all contacts. It is also very useful in B2B case. Each seller who has his own contact database is not able to see what contacts belong to other sellers' account. Our settings are ready, so we click Next. However, remember that you can also go back to the previous step when you click Previous, or you can cancel. Here is the summary of your settings. You click Save. For further information, go to our website support.salesmenago.com.